Monday, August 21st, update on Comet 2023 P1 Nishimura. This image is from this gentleman right here. Jared, can't pronounce his last name. Credit goes to him. And at the image, it looks very impressive. Very impressive indeed. Let's get more information on this visitor out of nowhere. Going on Twitter X, we have other images 7 hours ago. Wow, that looks impressive. This image comes from right here, observatory. Beautiful image. There's many more images showing the comet. Michael has some images. Check out his site. It's the latest one he posted. Impressive. And there's the Eskimo. Many more information coming in now. Now the pieces of the puzzle start to come together little by little. This one here comes from Japan. Tokyo Astronomical Observatory. Take a look. Wow, nice. He said it's around an 8 to a 9 magnitude. His best guess. I was gonna put some Facebook image, but I got warnings from my computer. I thought it was gonna be taken over, so I had to immediately get away from it and reboot and do all the virus cleanup. Sucks. But let's get into this comet. A lot more here that meets the eye. Yesterday, I was looking at observations, looking at the MOID. Is this right here, minimum orbit intersection. What this is, if anything is less than 0.05 AU, is considered a potentially noticeable close approach. The reason I bring that up is because yesterday JPL had it at a 0.064 blah blah blah, which is approximately 6 million miles from close approach to Earth. Possible close approach to Earth. Okay, it's still saying here that on September 12th, the nearest it'll approach the Earth, it's around 78 million miles away at 0.838 AUs, 11 hours 11 minutes. Here we go again. I think of this 11 hours 11 minutes, that's like longitude. That's when you aim up. I put a link right here that explains it. Not an equation, you know, like right here, like this would be like your 11 hours 11 minutes, your longitude I mean, and the rest is basically zooming in on your position. Something like in the military, when you're in coordinates. So by the way, space weather gallery has many more other images posted August 20th by Robert. This one here from Bill, and it shows the Eskimo Nebula. Looks real beautiful, doesn't it? And here's the comet with the tail. It's coming up to the horizon. I'll put the 3D orbit and explain. In other words, it's getting close to our orbital plane. The ecliptic, which is this right here, think of it as like a dish, like a plate. The comet is getting ready to evened out, be parallel with the ecliptic, and then it'll start going upward. That's what the ecliptic means. Now getting back to the MOID, this right here, Earth minimal orbit intersection distance. Today they updated. Today was a solution date, the 21st, so they updated it. I wish I would have recorded it yesterday. They raised it 0.0796. This right here. We do the calculations. 0.079638 AUs is approximately, just rounded out, 7,400,000 miles away. Still, I find that close. Why would they have it that close? I mean, I've seen that before. It's not like I've seen this the first time. I mean, normally not that close, especially when the comet is projected to be far away. I don't know, maybe there's a mistake here, or maybe I'm misinterpreting this data. The code is high, so it's no programmer. Looking at their JPL 3D today, right now, see, this is the ecliptic, and it's still below. No, it's parallel now to the ecliptic. As the days go by, it'll be more and more as it goes up. Right here above the sun, I think perihelion is on September 17 or 18 when it's the closest approach to the sun, which will be right about here, and then it'll go in between the orbit of Mercury and the sun. Still, I don't understand why put a low MOID, the closest intersection. Earth is over here, and it's over 1.423 AUs, over 100 or 130 million miles away. That's far away, so I don't know where the hell they got that close interaction. Because if it does break apart and flies in that direction, Earth will be over here by then. I don't understand that. But into the more information, as I reported before, aside from Japan, this is the travel, and it looks like a heart if you turn it around, the shape of a heart. These are the constellations it travels to. For here they had it, remember the last time, they haven't updated it yet. The observations are coming in, and they had it around close to a 3 magnitude, the brightest, but that information has changed because this site here from Belgium, it's been taken offline. Isn't that a bummer? Well, they had it now at 1.9 1.9 magnitude. Well, this site here that has it almost the same, nearing a 3, and we have observations here. Well, let's see the latest one on the 21st right here, 8.3, 8.3, 8.5, 8.5. Put it at the 8-point range. But if we go on the Minor Planet Center, this is where basically it's like the hub where the information observations go to, and it has it 168 observations so far. I mean, these are your observatories, your big boys, and what they have it is, check out the magnitude. Here's the magnitude date that it was discovered. They had around a 12, a 10. But what gets me as we go down, stroll down, the current, here's the 18th, the numbers. The last one was 14.4. I don't know what the G stands for, these codes right here, or the N, but if you look at the dates, 14, 12, and these are the places they came from, these observations. Keep an eye on that and see what this is all about. See, this is new. The data is still coming in, so the numbers are still being crunched. You won't get a good picture until it arises above the ecliptic. It'll be more visible. On to the next. Okay, when they updated this today, other sites had said 168. JPL has it at 155, but the last observation was on the 19th. This is weird right here though. Now this is from Europe also. I'm not even gonna pronounce his name. He has let's check out the, he always provides great image. Always follow him. Let's see what he has. This was done on the 20th, yesterday, and he has the magnitude at 13.9, 14.3, and 13.6. So again, basically jives with the other observations. I mean, I don't see nothing out of the ordinary. So this is his observatory, Belgium. Major credit. Go on to the next. Like I said, I was going to go on Facebook and show it, but I got hit. Okay, going on this site, COBS, they have their observations, and let's see where the magnitude. Okay, the 10 point, this is the 21st today, 10.2, 8.7. So there must be something with those codes, why it's so high, the numbers, the magnitude. They don't jive with these right here, but these observations basically put it in the 8 range. I mean, you got 10.6, 10.1. So these observations are coming in also. Let's see if this site's back up and running. Nope, still down. Well, like I said, they had it projected now at a 1.9 on the perihelion on the 18th, the 17th of September. So I mean, there's much more. I just thought I put that out there, and I'll come back, do a better video. I always say that I'm gonna do a better video. I don't.